In this video, I'm going to show you how to save money on Moniepoint and then earn interest for that. So we have made different video on how you can make money on Palmpay, how you can make money on OPay while saving money on the platform. So in this video, we're going to be dedicating this video to Moniepoint, which of course you can save money and also earn interest for doing that. So all you just need to do, just log into your Moniepoint app, as you can see right there. So the next thing you're going to do is just click on saving down below. You can see savings right here. So if you already have some savings, you'll be able to see it right there. And if you are just starting out, you also see all these available options. You can see build your wealth, earn as you save, flexible savings options, earnings on savings, automatic withdrawal. So you can see choose a saving plan to get started. So the first one is flexible savings, which you'll be earning up to 9% per annum, which is per year, and the lock savings, which you'll be earning up to 16% per annum, and the fixed savings is what you'll be getting 16% per annum. So basically the best one I feel like I used to do on Moniepoint and on Palmpay is the fixed saving, because that's really what I used to like. I used to get enough interest on that, because if you go to flexible savings, the interest you'll be getting on your money will be very, very low. So you can use the locked savings and you can use the fixed savings, but then you can let's go with the fixed savings and see how it looks like. So you can see fixed saving is an effective way to manage liquidity by committing a lump sum for a specific period. So you receive let me click on that. Okay, you receive your interest upfront. It provides a secure avenue for growing your savings. So basically what they mean is that you will be able to withdraw your interest on these savings upfront before your main money is even available. Let's say you save 100,000 naira now and they are actually paying you 5,000 naira interest for in the next 6 months. So that money that you are saving, which is 100,000 naira, you'll be able to get that money after 6 months, once that 6 months reach. But that 5,000 naira they are paying you interest, you will get it instantly. You save that money on a fixed savings. That was the main, compared to some other platforms that are gonna pay you all together, which is the interest and your real money at the end of that 6 months that you are saving for. So that's what they mean. So here you can see things to note: interest yield up to 16% per annum, savings duration minimum is 1 month, maximum is 12 months, and interest payments accrued upfront. Then savings top up not possible. You can't top up your savings. And you can see you can only create another savings plan. You can choose to withdraw during the savings duration, but you will forfeit the interest accrued during the duration. So what they mean right here is that you can actually request for your money when the time has not reached, but you have to return back the interest that you were paid. So now, for example, if you save 100,000 and they have already paid you 5,000 interest on that money, and you already withdraw it, and after 3 months you feel like you need your money, they will have to deduct that 5,000 naira they pay you inside your real money, which is from the 100,000 naira, and they're going to refund back 95,000 naira to you, because they already pay you the interest rate and you have spent it. So that's what they mean by that. So what you just need to do, if you want to use this option, just click on start savings. Then you can see plan name. You can select what name you want to give the plan. Let's say 6 months plan. Then how much do you want to fix? So you input the amount, 100k for example. So 100k. Then start date, let's say 15th. Okay, then end date, let's say August 15. So I don't know how long is that. So they'll be paying 14% per annum for that. So you will earn an interest rate of 14% per annum, which is equivalent to 153 days that I'm saving. Then you're gonna click on next. So right here you can see your account, which account you want them to charge from. Then you can see savings rollover, allow auto rollover after savings maturity. So if you want to roll over the money again to save, you can just toggle this on, but I don't advise you to do that. So just off this, then click on next right here. Then here you can see the fixed savings 6-month plan, the money you are saving, how long would you like to save, how many months do you want to save, 6 months. Then scroll down, then you're gonna see check mark this box, so you can see savings rollover disabled. Then click on create a plan. So let's see, I just want to see how much they'll be giving us as an interest. And mind you, I don't have enough money in my Moniepoint account, so this might fail. I literally don't know, but let's wait and see the result. But I believe you already know how to save money and earn interest using Moniepoint app. So I'm gonna wait for this to load and see if it works, and if it doesn't, I believe you'll be able to proceed from here. So it failed, obviously, because I don't have enough in my Moniepoint account. So but I believe you'll be able to proceed on your own from this point. Thank you.